working? Is it working? Okay, so for this lesson, you are going to need one of these sheets, which is a roller Picasso sheet, and I'm going to explain how we use that in a minute. You are going to need a dice, and first of all, you're going to need pages of your sketchbook, because I want you to try doing maybe 3 different Picasso style faces in your sketchbook, and then when you've got one that you like to use, I want you to copy that onto a bigger piece of paper a little bit later. I'm just showing little ones like this because that's the size of your sketchbook. Okay, so you have a dice. There will be, I've got enough dice for one between 2, I think, so you're going to have to share. Okay, so have to be working well. So we have the sheet, and as you can see, we've got the roller Picasso title, and you've got first roll, second roll, third roll, fourth roll, fifth roll, sixth roll, seventh roll. Okay, so what it means, you're going to roll your dice, and for the first roll, whatever number I come up with is going to show me the shape of the head that I need to use. Okay, is that showing on there?
Yep.
So I'm going to roll my dice, and I come up with a 5. So that is the shape that I need to copy onto my piece of paper. So I'm going to do that as big as I can. I'm going to make that fill my sheet of paper as big as I can. And I'm not going to press very hard. I'm using a very dark pencil. So, as you can imagine, the next one is for the first eye. And I've got a 3. So my first eye is that kind of style. So you can decide which way up to do it. I will do it, I think, like that, like it is there. And that's my first eye. So as you can see already, this is a little bit different to the ones you've already done. They're a bit more abstract, aren't they? So third roll is what?
The second eye.
Oh, number 1. Okay, so I've got one like that.
But not what? No,
Okay.
it's not number 1. It says number 1. That's not number 1.
That's number 1, isn't it?
It's the second eye. That's the second.
Okay, anyway, so third roll is my nose, and I've got number 4. It's a bit of a strange nose. Now I think that I'm going to do it the other way. I'm going to have it pointing the other way, but I'm going to do it the same kind of design. Do you see what I mean? And that kind of works, do you think? Yeah? And then the 5th roll is a 2, and that's the mouth, so it's that kind of mouth. So actually, that one works quite easily, isn't it? Right, 6th roll is the ear. I've got number 5 ear, which is that one. I'm going to have it kind of going like that. And then my 7th roll is the second, is number 1. Okay, is kind of an ordinary looking ear. Okay, so that's quite interesting, isn't it? So that's the first thing I want you to do, and I want you to maybe try, as I said before, doing 3 different faces. So I'll just start a second one, and if I come up with the same shape, I'm going to shake my dice again. Number 2. Okay, so that is a different face. It's that one. So again, remember, do these as big as you can to take up the piece of paper. And then I'll just do the next couple. Number 4 is my first eye. So it's that kind of eye. And it's up to you how big you do them, right? I've decided that eye should be nice and big. Second eye, that's a 4 as well. I've had that eye already, so I'm not going to use that. I do another one. Number 1. Okay, it's one of those.
A whirly twirly eye. I like those ones.
Curly. Like that. Try another nose. Number 6 nose. Wary nose. Okay. Is that kind of nose. Oh, mouth. I've got a number 6 mouth. So that is that one, okay.
This guy looks so suspicious.
Yes. He looks like a monster. He looks
And
so
then I've got a number 6 ear. Alright, I can that one there.
See?
Oh, he looks very suspicious. Oh, he looked.
And then 7th row, next ear is a number 5.
Same as last time.
Shall I do another one then?
Yeah.
He looks like a goblin.
No, last time you got
A number 6. Oh, that's interesting.
Oh yeah, this year's cool. He looks like a dude with a
So, I think
That's creepy.
you now get the idea. Okay? So, as you can see, doing it twice, and even if I'm the same person, I've got 2 very, very different faces. Okay? So I think I would like you to try to do this 3 times in your book, first of all, and see what you come up with, and then out of the 3 you've got, you can then choose which one that you're going to do, and you're going to start colouring. Okay, is that enough for now?